I can tell my dog anywhere I hear him bark. I can tell my rider if I feel her in the dark. You'd have cried bloody murder just to get me out of your way. But that's alright, mama, you're gonna need my help someday. You say you're gonna put me, honey, in my lonesome grave. But you must remember, rider, I once have been your slave. Oh, I feel like snapping my pistol in your face. Have another bison down here to take your place. I said, give me the money, baby. I'll catch that train and go. Don't have to kill me, cause you don't want me around no more. Now you don't want me around no more. Give me the money, baby, and I'll catch that train and go. I said, now give me the money, baby. I'll catch that train and go. Don't have to kill me, cause you don't want me around no more. Now you, woman, you don't want me around no more. Give me the money, baby, and I'll catch that train and go. Oh, you say you didn't want me when you lay across my bed, drinking that moonshine liquor, talking all out of your head. Now if you see my rider, tell her I said come on home. I ain't had no loving since that gal been gone. And there's two kind of people in the world that I can't stand. That's a lying woman and a monkey man.